everyone, welcome back to 25 Sweetpeas. Today for you, I'm swatching a new upcoming collection from Polished Colors. This is their Shades of Summer collection, which is launching on July 18th, which is just around the corner, like 4 days away. And it's a 4-piece release, and I am loving all of them. And actually, they look great together, so you could like turn this all into like one manicure and not have to choose which color to wear first because you have enough fingers for all of them. And I love that. So the first shade we are going to be looking at has a super fun name. Actually, all of these shades have super fun names, so that's another reason that I feel like I just love these so much. The first one is Pina Colada, and this is a good, staple white polish that you all need in your lives, at least in my opinion. I love a white polish, and this one has a really nice formula. I broke this thumbnail the other day, so my nails are like super short, and I was having a hard time like not getting it on the skin at the tip of my nails, so I do apologize for that in this video. They're super short and it broke and it doesn't feel good either, so there's that. But this covered perfectly in 2 coats despite my messy painting. Perfect coverage, and it dries nicely, and then of course you put it on a top coat and you're all glossy. Next up we have a Caribbean Breeze, and this is a lovely teal shade, very summery, and this one actually has a ever so slight shimmer in it. Honestly, on the nail you don't notice a ton, which I actually prefer because I just like love this color as a cream in general. But you do get a little hint of the shimmer, so don't let the shimmer intimidate you if you're not like a huge shimmer fan, because I feel like you will still like this. But if you do like shimmer and you want to like a cream, this might be the perfect way to kind of like get you over that little hump whenever it comes to moving out and branching out in polishes. The next shade is called Sunset Rum, and this is such a nice orange. I am becoming quite fond of orange nail polishes lately, definitely this year for some reason. And this one is such a good shade. Definitely has a sunsetty feel. It doesn't feel like a traffic cone or anything to that extent, which I personally don't care for traffic cone polishes. But this is a good sunset orange and really pretty, covered perfectly in 2 coats. Then the last shade is Lime Splash, and I love this shade of green. So I always like the idea of green polishes, and then I go and put them on and they just make me look like super washed out and pale. But this one I felt like didn't do that bad. I really liked this one. It's a really good green shade. It's light summery. I feel like it's a mojito color, and I love that. So perfect in 2 coats once again. And overall, this collection is just great. So here is a look at the final swatches of all of the shades. Like I said, super fun, and actually you can wear them all on your nails at once, which I just love. I love a good Skittles manicure lately. And you don't have to pick which color to wear first. So like I mentioned earlier, this polish collection is releasing on the Polished Colors website on July 18th, which is right around the corner. And as far as I know, they will be in the store until further notice. So I will link the shop plus information that I have, and I have told you guys, down in the description box below. But if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. And I think that covers everything. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Bye!